Hi friends, today I'm showing you a bamboo sofa table. You can see it here that it's come a nice packing and it have all the parts. It need a little assembling of this table. I will show you later on. You can see like a two Z-shaped legs, and the holes inside is very much precise, and it's very really nice build. So there are two Z legs, one the connector between the Z legs, the top table and a corner. This booklet that have all the different products made by this company, and this is the sofa table looks like. This is the instruction manual how to assemble this table. And this is a part for the laptop, like to block the laptop in the later on part. So to assemble this, first we have this two Z leg and we have to connect it with this connector. So in this box there are the screws supplied by the company. There is a wrench to fasten the nuts and the screw bolts. It's pretty much straightforward, and this product have all the tools required for the assembly. So there is no special tools or things required. Now to connect this, that there is a two screw, one is the nut and then other the screw. You have to fit in the nuts in that hole, and then from the other side you will put the screw, and then with the wrench you have to tighten the screw. So it's pretty easy. Mostly all of the furniture is assembled like the similar way, so you must have the experience doing that. And so here, like with this wrench, you have to just fasten the nut bolt into that particular screw. So there are 4 screws in total to connect these two legs. I will show you your one or two, and then I will show you the final thing after that, so that I can save some time on this video. So once it's there, I have to put in the base. So all these two screw connector and the base on the top of it, and you have to see this thing, that how to connect it properly, because there can be an other side as well, but you have to connect it to the same side. You can see it through the picture that the Z-leg side will come down, and once you put in the screw for the 4 corners, you have to tighten the screws. So once it's fixed, your table is done. Now there is a lock here that you can open this part of the table. There is a little angle that you can actually adjust the height. If you are using a tablet or book or newspaper that you want a little slant table, that you can use it through this one. So you can put it on a different height and then you can use it. So this is a movable part. So you can put this angle here so that if you are holding something, it can hold for you, like for a laptop, book or anything. So from the side one, you can put in your mobile, you can charge your mobile. It's into a hole here that can put like, and this is for the tablet, but I'm just trying to put my mobile to be like easy and fast, but you can put in like the charging and it can come it here. So there are also the furniture safety pads. You can put this furniture safety pads on the legs, 4 corners. So it's like a sticker, you can put it there and you can just stick it there. All done. So this is the final table. Let me just put it in the right way. So this is the final table that will be built in. So pretty much smooth, very nice finish, no issue with the assembling. Now I will just try to put it near to my recliner just to show you like how comfortable. So the Z-shaped leg, it actually can go below the recliner or the sofa leg, so that you can put your legs comfortably inside it, and then you can tilt it to do your work. It is very much for the handy and the hands side. So you can put in your laptop, you can put in your tablet, books, newspaper, anything you want.